And I've sometimes heard this described as more real than reality, because you're looking at the pipes and imagine you're standing in this space. You can't see those fluid flows. You don't know whether it's hot or cold or doing anything at all. But by augmenting with the visual view and using IoT feeds over the top of it, you're able to see the invisible. You're able to see that I can touch those pipes on the right because they're cold. I better not touch the pipes on the left because they're hot. We see the same thing being done with wind flows, back to my wind farm example from earlier, but allowing you to see the invisible and overlaying it onto these models. It becomes quite compelling so long as you can guarantee that the data is accurate. The worst possible thing would be for me to reach out and touch that blue pipe and get scalded because the data was wrong. So you need to know the data's right, but once it is, and once the workflows and processes are in place, this kind of capability becomes really compelling down on the factory floor.